Efficiency. Reliability. Performance built with Atlas Copco Air design, delivering 8 to 10% higher efficiency. Optimized system design means shorter piping, lower pressure drop, and less energy loss, low noise, low vibration, and reinforced safety for stable performance in any condition. Smart PLC control, easy to operate, easy to maintain and efficient. Safe. Sustainable, we support full customer service. Contact us for more compressor models and details.